Hey skincare enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where today we're diving deep into the world of retinol. Yes, the acclaimed superstar of skincare. Whether you're a seasoned user or just curious about starting, today's video is packed with everything you need to know to use retinol safely and effectively. So let's get started. First up, what is retinol? It's a form of vitamin A, renowned for its incredible ability to promote cell turnover and boost collagen production. This means fewer wrinkles, less acne, and smoother skin. But here's a crucial tip. Retinol makes your skin more sensitive to sunlight, leading to potential burns or damage. That's why your number one companion when using retinol, especially during the day, should be a strong SPF sunscreen. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen every morning, even on cloudy days. Make sure it's SPF 30 or higher. Remember, a little dollop won't do. You need about a shot glass full for your body. Don't forget to reapply every 2 hours. Now, when should you avoid retinol? If your skin is irritated, if you're pregnant or nursing, or if your skin is very dry. Retinol can aggravate these conditions, so it's best to consult with a dermatologist before starting your retinol journey. Thinking of adding retinol to your morning routine? It's possible, but you've got to be extra cautious. Hydrate your skin first, apply retinol, and never skip the sunscreen. Watch for any signs of irritation, and if you notice any, it might be better to use retinol only at night. Speaking of night, that's actually the best time to apply retinol. Your skin naturally repairs itself while you sleep, making it the perfect time to let retinol do its magic. And how often should you use retinol? Start slow, maybe once or twice a week, and only at night to avoid sun exposure. As your skin gets used to it, you can increase the frequency, but listen to your skin and adjust as needed. Retinol can be a game changer for your skin if used correctly. Remember, it's not about quick fixes, but long-term care. Embrace the journey, keep up with your sunscreen, and here's to glowing, healthy skin. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep loving your skin.